We weren't supposed to be here for the winter, and to that end we didn't order any firewood. However, you would probably have remembered in a recent video how our beloved Carsten cut up all our offcuts. Him and myself went foraging in the parkland for what had fallen down. However, this stuff now needs to be cut up so it will fit on the fire. So luckily enough, we were recently contacted by a tool company, and a tool company you probably never heard of. They're a Chinese company called Dongcheng, and they said very kindly, we would like to send you something so you can review it. And the good thing about it is actually a battery powered chainsaw. Now, I've had limited experience with chainsaws, mostly petrol ones, and I've had a love-hate relationship with them. They can be absolutely fantastic, and in the right hands, a fantastic tool. However, I'm not the greatest one with engines and maintaining that kind of thing. So starting them every, autumn, winter time was always a problem for me. But this is an electric version. Now again, I've not used an electric chainsaw before because I've always thought that if you need a chainsaw, you need power and all that sort of thing. Whereas these, this works on a battery platform, 20 volt max, is supposed to be equivalent to a 25cc petrol engine, gasoline engine. So that'll be interesting. You've got a 30 centimeter bar, chain bar here, with a 3/8 chain on it. And Oregon are a company I know that make really good stuff, really good chains for a lot of other manufacturers. So that's a good start. We've got other features. We've got a tool-free chain adjuster on this side here. So you always need to tension your chain, and that's tool-free. That just does it like that. You've got a momentary chain brake here, so this will stop the chain immediately if anything happens, if there's any kickback or the chain gets stuck in the cut or anything like that, that will happen. It's a 2-stage start mechanism, so you can't start it unless you've got the safety switch on and off. So that's some pretty good features for a unit that is only €90. So the nice thing about this as well is it's really, really lightweight. This, by all accounts, is only 2 kilos. With the battery, I've had a little weigh up, and it's 2.8 with the battery. It's a 4 amp hour battery, and they tell me that you can probably do about 80 cuts in a 10 centimeter 4-inch log. So that would be however long that lasts. We're going to try it out. We're going to find out how long this lasts. That's one of our big things. The other thing for this price point, which I think is fabulous, is that it's actually a brushless motor. Now, what that means is that it doesn't have conventional, traditional brushes, carbon brushes. So it would be much, much long lasting and hopefully a lot more maintenance free, which for me is a right bonus. So I think we should get to cutting. Well, that ain't bad. It always helps to have a sharp chain, but I think that's fantastic. tell you what I do like about it. I do like the fact that it's so quiet, and that's because it's a battery operated unit. It is so quiet, and that is always a bonus. It's apparently something like 70% quieter than a conventional chainsaw. And so when you're using it and you're not familiar with it, I think that's a really, really good thing. Is it doesn't create that sort of violence, which I really like. And it cuts great. It works really well. You know, I've only done, 4 cuts, and I've still got a full battery charge, so we're going down the right road. But what we're going to do is we're going to keep cutting all this stuff up. We're going to try and cut some of the big stuff as well. I think it'd be worth trying to cut through some of the big stuff, because obviously that's unusable at the moment, the big stuff down the bottom there. So if we can get through that, that will be a real test of its metal, if you like. And we'll see how long the battery lasts. Let's try one of them, shall we? It'll take a while. I'm impressed. I'm impressed.
Oh, is it really going to go through that? Oh, I don't think it's going to go through that one.
Barely fits in there.
That is impressive.
That is impressive, isn't it? Like, you know, I know, I'm just thinking, you know, for the power side of things, I think it's just really good. You know, like, what else would I need it for? All I'm going to be doing is trimming trees in me yard and cutting up firewood. And that's, you know, that's the best part of the whole blade that it's just gone through. I don't think we've got much charge left, because it's started to feel like I can feel it slowing down. So I think that's, you know, that's going to be more than enough that you need for say one operation or one time that you're doing this. But this is €90, and for €90 I think it's an exceptional piece of kit, really. Fantastic. I'm very, very impressed with the Dongqing battery powered chainsaw. I think the model number is DCCS 20121. For first impressions of this are really, really positive. It's a great piece of kit. It's really lightweight. It's very, very easy to use, but it has those proper safety features that you need. You know, I think, quite honestly, it's for everybody. So I'm pretty sure the Dongqing series of tools and this particular item is available on Amazon whatever you use, whichever Amazon you use. It is, I think at the moment they retail for about €89.99, that is. I'm not sure what that is in other currencies, but they do a whole myriad of tools, Dongqing. They seem to be all really well put together. It's all plastic construction most of the time, but it feels substantial. It feels well put together. Everything works as you expect it to work, and better, really. I would say go and check one out. All the links to these tools are in the description, Yeah, go and check one out. So just want to say a big thank you to Dong Cheng for having the faith in us to try this out. I am seriously impressed with this piece of kit. Thanks ever so much, and hopefully we look forward to the next project.